To our YouTube channel AG and Aqua. Today we will discuss CCS HAU Hisar PhD entrance test in aquaculture. और अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट देम, क्योंकि फर्स्ट यूनिट तो पहले सॉल्व कर चुके हैं 50 क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी. देन अब आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द बायो अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ प्रोटीन सोर्स is a function of its and option number A digestibility, option number B amino acid makeup, and option number C both A and B, and option number D is the source. So correct answer is the option number C, both A and B, like digestibility and amino acid makeup. And question number 52, the level of crude protein can be estimated by ऑप्शन नंबर ए परसेंटेज ऑफ टोटल नाइट्रोजन इंटू 6.25, और ऑप्शन नंबर बी परसेंटेज ऑफ एमाइनो एसिड इंटू 6.25, एंड ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज परसेंटेज ऑफ टोटल कार्बन इंटू 6.25, एंड ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज नोन ऑफ दीज. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज द ऑप्शन नंबर ए, इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ टोटल नाइट्रोजन इंटू 6.25. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 53, the salmonids diet including trout should contain crude protein in the range of option number A 25 to 35%, and option number B 35 to 50%, option number C 50 to 65%, and option number D 30 to 32%. So this correct answer is the option number B 35 to 50%. And question number 54, in contrast to mammals, many cold water and marine fishes required option number A omega-6 fatty acid, option number B omega-3 fatty acid, and option number C both A and B, and option number D none of these. This correct answer is the option number B omega-3 fatty acid. And question number 55, anemia in fish cannot be a result of deficiency. Option number A folic acid, option number B riboflavin, option number C pyridoxine, option number D tryptophan. So this correct answer is the option number D. Of question number 56, is the most unstable vitamin required in fish diet. Option number A vitamin A, option number B vitamin B, option number C vitamin D, and option number D ascorbic acid या vitamin C. तो this correct answer is the vitamin C ascorbic acid. Question number 57, gross energy like G is estimated using option number A digital thermometer, option number B calorimeter bomb, option number B psychrometer, option number D all of these. This correct answer is the option number B calorimeter bomb. Question number 58, in most fish feeds carbohydrates are provided in the range of option number A 18 to 50%, option number B 50 to 25%, option number C 15 to 20%, and option number D 50 to 60%. This correct answer is the option number C 15 to 20%. Question number 59, the nutritional content of the feed depends on option number A species, and option number B life stage, option number C both A and B, and option number D none of these. That correct answer is the option number C both A and B. मतलब nutritional content depend करता है species और life stage of fishes. And question number 60, protein level in aquaculture feeds of shrimp generally average. Option number A 30 to 35%, option number B 50 to 55%, option number C 15 to 25%, and question number D option number D none of these. This correct answer is the option number A 30 to 35%. Question number 61, most nitrogen is extracted as a from the gill of the fish. Option number A urea, option number B nitrogen, option number C ammonia, Option number D, uric acid. This correct answer is the option number C, form of ammonia, NH3. Question number 62. Marine fish and algal oils are naturally high in. Option number A, omega-3 fatty 3 highly unsaturated fatty acid. Option number B, omega-6 highly unsaturated fatty acid. Option number C, carbohydrates, and option number D is the protein. This correct answer is the option number A, omega-3 highly unsaturated fatty acid. Question number 63. Farm fish typically are fed percentage of their body weight per day. Option number A, 8 to 10%. Option number B, 10 to 12%. Option number C, 10 to 15%. And option number D, 1 to 5%. This correct answer is the option number D, 1 to 5%. Question number 64. An FCR of is considered good growth for most species. Option number A, 1.5 to 2. Option number B, 3.5 to 4. Option number C, 5 to 6. Option number D, 2 to 3. So this correct answer is the option number A, 1.5 to 2. Question number 65. Physiological fuel value for lipids is option number A, 20 calories per grams. Option number B, 9 calories per gram. Option number C, 4 calories per gram. Option number D, 5.4 calories per gram. This correct answer is the question number 65 is B, 9 calories per gram. Excess energy related to protein content in the diet can result in option number A, high carbohydrate deposition. Option number B, high protein deposition. Option number C, high lipid deposition. And option number D, all of these. That correct answer is the option number C, high lipid deposition. Question number 67. Fish feeds constitutes of the total cost of aquaculture production. Option number A, 20 to 30%. Option number B, 10 to 15%. Option number C, 30 to 60%. Option number D, 40 to 60%. This correct answer is the option number D, 40 to 60%. Question number 68. The microminerals does not include option number A, copper. Option number B, iodine. Option number C, iron. Option number D, calcium. This correct answer is the option number D. Calcium is not considered microminerals. Question number 69. Antioxidants that can be used in fish feed. Option number A, exothecane. Option number A, carboxyl methyl cellulose. Option number B, hemicellulose. Option number C, gurgam alginate. Option number D, agar agar. This correct answer is the option number D, agar agar. Question number 71. Digestibility energy. D is represented as option number A, D is equal to IE minus FE. Option number B, DE is equal to ME minus HE. Option number C, DE is equal to GE plus JD. Option number D, DE is equal to UE plus SE. This correct answer is the option number A, D is equal to IE minus FE. Question number 72. Nitrogen free extract consist mainly of option number A, digestible lipids. Option number B, digestible carbohydrates. Option number C, digestible protein. And option number D, none of these. This correct answer is the option number B, digestible carbohydrates. Question number 73. Following is not a mycotoxin groups. Option number A, aflatoxins. Option number B, fumosins. Option number C, ochratoxins. Option number D, saponin. This correct answer is the option number D, saponin is not considered in mycotoxin groups. Question number 74. Is are aflatoxin poisoning symptoms in fish? Option number A, reduction in hematocritic. Option number B, reduced growth rate. Option number C, increased hematopoietic activity. And option number D, all of these. This correct answer is the option number D, all of these. Question number 75. The freshwater infusoria is option number A, Fabrea. Option number B, Euplotes. Option number C, Stylonychia. And option number D is none of these. That correct answer is the option number C. Question number 76. First shrimp virus reported in India. Option number A, Monodon buclovirus. Option number B, buclofinid disease. Option number C, Seromonodon virus. And option number D, none of these. That correct answer is the option number A, Monodon buclovirus. Question number 77. Yellowhead virus is a virus. Option number A, SS RNA virus. Option number B, dsDNA virus. Option number C, ssDNA virus. Option number D, dsRNA virus. That correct answer is the option number A, ssRNA virus. Question number 78. Mostly affected species by IHHNV. Option number A, Penis stylorestris. Option number B, Penis vennamei. Option number C, both A and B. And option number D, none of these. That correct answer is the option number C, both A and B. Question number 79. Soft cell syndrome is caused due to deficiency of. Option number A, calcium and sodium. Option number B, calcium and phosphorus. Option number C, calcium and potassium. Option number D, calcium. This correct answer is the option number B, calcium and phosphorus. Question number 80. Yellow gill disease is caused due to pH of water. Option number A, acidic. Option number B, alkaline. Option number C, neutral. Option number D, none of these. That correct answer is the option number A, acidic pH of water. Question number 81. The best method to detect white muscle disease in Microbentium rosenbergi. Option number A, ELISA. Option number B, Sandvik ELISA. Option number C, RT-PCR. Option number D, PCR. That correct answer is the option number C, RT-PCR. Question number 82. Corneobacterial disease affected salmonids. Option number A, gill. Option number B, kidney. Option number C, liver. Option number D, scales. That correct answer is the option number B, kidney. Question number 83. Monogean parasites have free swimming ciliated larvae known as. Option number A, Onchomycetidae. Option number B, Serratia. Option number C, Metaserratia. Option number D, none of these. That correct answer is the option number A. Question number 84. Togo-like virus are observed in the lesions on or oblique of. Option number A, skin. Option number B, gills. Option number C, lymphoid organ. And option number D, all of these. That correct answer is the option number C, lymphoid organs. Question number 85. Iodophores of varying iodine concentrations are used to prevent infection of non-food fish eggs. Option number A, mycotic. Option number B, bacterial. Option number C, A and B. And option number D, none of these. That correct answer is the option number A, mycotic disease. Question number 86. The cause of crayfish plague in freshwater crayfish species. Option number A, Aphanomyces aesthesia. Option number B, deficiency and toxicity. Option number A, calcium and magnesium. Option number B, calcium and selenium. Option number C, magnesium and Se. Option number D, Se and Mg. That correct answer is the option number C. Question number 88. Ammonia accumulation is due to an inadequate number of bacterial species that converts ammonia to. Option number A, Nitrosomonas and nitrite. Option number B, Nitrosomonas nitrate. Option number C, Nitrosomonas nitric acid. Option number D, none of these. That correct answer is the option number A, Nitrosomonas nitrite. Question number 89. Lectin is a immune component. Option number A, cell mediated. Option number B, humoral. Option number C, partially cell mediated and humoral. Option number D, none of these. That correct answer is the option number B, humoral immune components. Question number 90. Disease occurs in few members of a population. Option number A, saprodic. Option number B, ingenetic. Option number C, epigenetic. Option number D, none of these. That correct answer is the option number A. Question number 91. The process by which either antibody or another molecules promotes the phagocytosis of the antigen by a phagocyte binding with the antigen. Option number A, neutralization. Option number B, opsonization. Option number C, agglutination. Option number D, none of these. That correct answer is the option number B. Caused by, first reported from in USA. Option number A, carps. Option number B, perch. Option number C, catfishes. Option number D, morels. That correct answer is the option number B, perches. Question number 93. Immunity resulting from soluble antibodies in body fluids. Option number A, humoral. Option number B, cell mediated. Option number C, artificial immunity. Option number D, vaccination. That correct answer is the option number A, humoral immunity. Question number 94. Reverse transcription inhibitors and protein inhibitors are the therapeutic used against. Option number A, herpes virus. Option number B, hepatitis virus. Option number C, retroviral infection. Option number D, none of these. That correct answer is the option number C. Question number 95. Which of the following is not a chemical barrier of immune defense? Option number A, gastric juice. Option number B, lysosome. Option number C, body fluids. Option number D, nutrition. That correct answer is the option number D. Question number 96. Maraschino green is used against. Option number A, aphanomyces. Option number B, saprologenia. Option number C, Ascilla. And option number D, none of these. That correct answer is the option number B. Question number 97. Causative agents of eye disease of Katla. Option number A, Aeromonas salmonicida. Option number B, Aeromonas punctatus. Option number C, both A and B. And option number D, none of these. That correct answer is the option number A, Aeromonas salmonicida. Question number 98. Staining method used for bacterial differentiation. Option number A, PAS. Option number B, gram stain. Option number C, eosin. Option number D, all of these. That correct answer is the option number B. Question number 99. WSSV belongs to the family of. Option number A, Parvoviridae. Option number B, Nemaviridae. Option number C, Herpesviridae. Option number D, Iridoviridae. The correct answer is the option number B. The last question is tumorous appearances is found in. Option number A, lymphocytosis disease. Option number B, MAS. Option number C, Hitra disease. Option number D, none of these. That correct answer is the option number A.